unstable SMP, Lettuce K, the leader of Law, held a server-wide emergency announcement, where he declared that he would be hosting an election for the first king of Unstable.
I believe the unstable SMP needs a ruler, and so I've taken it upon myself to run an election.
But it was obvious that the election was never meant to be fair, and Lettuce simply planned on becoming king himself. I had to stop him. With the election just about to begin, Lettuce gathered all of the candidates together to make an important announcement. I quickly headed off to a remote jungle village, where I managed to secure 109 votes and qualify for the election. But from here, beating Lettuce would be no easy task, since I was nearly 6,000 votes behind him, at the very bottom of the entire candidate pool.